How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we are actually starting the video in my apartment because I was playing around with the PC that I just got because my MacBook wasn't cutting it to edit the videos. So we got a PC, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the fact that I'm about to go to the junkyard right now and meet up with David, Sam, and Joseph because we are getting a crucial piece that we need for David's car, and hopefully by today his car is running. And we also got the Brembo calipers back from powder coating, so we'll show you that right now and we'll cut to the scene where we're at the junkyard. Hey guys, so we're back already from the junkyard. We already got the part that we needed for David's car, so I already got here, and I'm guessing he's still not here because he's obviously not here. So while he's arriving, I'm gonna show you guys the calipers. They got rebuilt and they got a new color, so it's time to show you guys. So yes, we did go with the red, and it has a little bit of sparkles in it, and with the Brembo logo in front, I think they look amazing. And just because of that, we're gonna get the rims powder coated as well. I'm not gonna tell you the color yet because also big news, we are gonna be wrapping my car in a really cool color that I think is gonna make the car pop, especially with the Brembos and the rims being powder coated. I think it's gonna look very, very clean, very good looking. So if you guys do follow me on Instagram, you guys already know which color I'm going with. If you do not, please go ahead and follow me at TTurbo. So yeah, now let's wait for David to get here so we can show you his calipers and what color he went with his. So David and Sam are still, and Joseph are still on their way over here. I guess I really left them behind. So I'm gonna start slapping on my Brembo calipers onto my car and start bleeding the system, so that way I can push my car out and we can push David's car in. And I'm gonna give my car a wash because this car is filthy. So they just got here. Joseph's, aka David's brother, is about to see the calipers. Which ones do you pick more? The green ones or the red ones?
The green.
Alright, well I guess he doesn't like the red. I mean, what do you guys think? Alright, we're about to get David's impression of seeing his calipers. Oh, Sammy's here too. Sammy, which ones do you like more? The red calipers or the green calipers?
The green would look nice. You just gotta know how to fucking match it.
Well, yeah, but so nobody likes the red ones?
Oh, you put the.
They're like plain, bro. Like everyone's fucking rocking red, dude. You gotta fucking add a little.
Oh, so you're telling me I'm plain?
Yeah, you little plain bitch. You my plain bitch.
These are way. Oh, these are clean.
A little spice to it, you know. Switch it up a bit.
Well, I thought David's reaction to the calipers was gonna be a little bit more exciting, like he's gonna scream like a little girl when he gets.
I mean, they're clean, but I mean, like, wow, these are way better than the ones I had on, well, that I have on now. So.
And there's still a whole bunch of stuff you gotta do to your car.
Yes, sir.
There's a lot more stuff coming up for his car too, and my car as well. But yeah, let's slap on the Brembos right now. I was just waiting for these guys. David over here trying to learn how to drive a motorcycle.
Look at that thick ass.
Trying to ride like a crotch rocket. In other news, Sammy and Joseph are getting this side on. I already got this side on for the car. Looking pretty good. We're gonna see how it looks with the Nismo wheels on it. PJ Racing sells, basically these are spacers that go underneath the control arm right here. So you see how the control arm, oh, where is it? Oh, here you go. It's right here. So you see how the control arm connects right here with 3 bolts. So basically this is a spacer right here, and this one is basically a spacer for a street spec. so it'll just give you a bit more traction. And I know they sell another part that helps with the wheel hop, but unfortunately I didn't get that. So we're gonna install these onto the car, and it will just help the car with a little bit more traction and everything. Me and David did a little bit of a race to see who can install the control arm plates first, and well, he did it quicker. So now we have the camber plates on there. As you can see, they're right here.
They're not tightened though.
We still gotta tighten them down with the breaker bar and hit them with the torque wrench, and then they'll be installed. So those aren't the most aggressive ones, because these are 10 millimeter, and the ones from the track spec ones are 15 millimeters. And I didn't want to run the track ones. I just wanted to do something slight, you know, just give me a little bit more traction. So I went with the street specs. They're getting the caliper over here already bolted down and everything. So once they're done, we'll start bleeding the brake system, and then hopefully this car drives out by itself. Okay, so a little bit of bad news. We put the calipers back on the car, and we were already ready, you know, ready to bleed the valves and everything. And right as Sammy gets in the car and presses the brake, fluid just leaks out of each one bleed screw out of each side. So we decided, okay, you know, it might be untying. All right, we tightened them up a bit more, and they just kept on leaking, and we took them out, and it's one of them was basically twisted sideways, and the other one, the threads were cut. So that means that they're gonna have to get rethreaded. So we're taking them off right now, and we're sending them to the shop that did the powder coating, and they're gonna rethread them for me, and hopefully they're ready by today. If not, then there's another way for the Sentra to come out of hiding. So now we got Joseph taking off the calipers. At least we got the control arm brackets on. But now onto the black Sentra. The black Sentra, as you guys remember, we were trying to take off this sensor from last video, and basically we found out that the sensor was basically, the wires are cut. As you can see right there, they're really bad, and we can't unclip this. So we got a new basically new clip from the junkyard, so we're going to be taking care of that. Well, actually David's gonna be taking care of that, right David?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yo, so we're changing out the crank sensor, because you know shit goes wrong. But you know, you gotta lube it up first before you stick it in. You gotta make sure you put them up.
So it looks like you're struggling.
Oh, got it in. Oh no, actually not. Yeah, oh, look at that. See that? See that? See that? I know you saw that.
I should come back out.
Alright, now it's a 10 millimeter. And I believe our lovely assistant Joseph got us a 10 millimeter.
Yeah, I give it to you.
We got it in. This is the old one with the old clip, and then we had to go get a new clip.
See how seized it is? Like, look at that. That's
and now we basically...
Like, it's already pushed in and you can't take it out whatsoever.
I know which way to take it out. Look, watch. It's pretty easy. You grab it, make sure it's on there, and then you go like this. Make sure it's on there, nice and ready. You know which.
Moving too much. Stop moving.
I'm sorry. You know which way it's about to come out. Hold on, let this car pass by, because I don't want to teach you my methods that I used to. Right, so it's not wiggling out. So all you just gotta do is.
Oh.
Yeah, it came out. Look, watch. I'll show you.
Now it's broken.
No, it came out. Oh shit. See? And it comes right off. And then you just glue it back on. Alright, so as you can see, messy hair, we're pretty much done for tonight. David's already chilling in the car. Oh, by the way, we have a new Sentra added to the group. It's a new little 2020 Sentra. Looks like a little Infinity. But you know, we always gotta admire the real one. So we weren't able to get David's car to start. We don't know what's going on. So we're gonna give that another attempt tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. And right now, I'm going to be dropping off the calipers with the guy to get them re-tabbed. So that way, hopefully they work. And hopefully I can set them on my car. If not, I might get the Wheelwoods from 2J Racing. Who knows, the 6-piston ones. Might as well. But that's going to be for a later date. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you guys do like the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Go follow David at David Kelly. Wait, what's your Instagram, David?
Oh, let's actually change it so it's Kelly_773.
773. There your code. and go follow me at T Terrible. We be posting a lot of content there, a lot of stuff that you guys don't see. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.